Welcome back to Midford Pottery. Tonight we are attempting some more agateware. So today we have our normal 1000 grams of ES5 which finishes white. Now pre-prepared we've got 1000 grams of ES5 with black colorant. So hopefully it's going to be black and white. Later videos we're going to do a red and white as well. So this is just another video showing you how to mix them up, which you've seen in my last one, but we'll do it again for you. So we'll get you down to the table like so. There we are. Right, so we've got 1000 grams, so as always that one's been kneaded. So we'll do a quick prep of this one. Just to get the clear nice and worked. That's it. So cut it in half. Get our scales. So a cup is around about 500 grams of clear. So we're looking for roughly 250. $250 near enough, that's that one. Because when we combine them we become 500 grams. So we're going to divide our clay up into roughly 500 grams, just about. We'll cut our black in half. Slightly over on the back, but that's okay. So clear our workspace, put them over there. So as we did before, we've got our two colours, stick them together, and then we're roughly between 10 and 15, depends on your mood, we need it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we get a horrible looking lump like that. So we will cut it in half. See what our marbling's like. So not too bad, a little bit too much black for my liking, but put it to one side. So this time, just to see if we get a better effect, we will cut them again, and we'll cut that one again. So this time we'll stack them together. That, and that. So we've got our sandwich. So we'll need that between 10 and 15 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. There. Give it a cut. See what it looks like. Bit better. So we're going to give them a throw in the next part, and we'll see how we get on. So I'll see you in a second when we move to the wheel. So we're ready to throw it. So we have our ball of black and clear, black and white. So choose the best side, I suppose. We'll go that way. Go the black side. So we'll not be talking much through this one, so enjoy it. I'll catch up at the end. Tell you what, I'm going to move that around there a bit so you can get a better view. So I don't get my big head in the way. There you go, right. And I'll try not to kick the camera. So there you go, there's one agateware mug thrown, handles to come later. So we shall cut it off the wheel, leave them on the back because I don't want to touch that. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, comment, all the usual stuff, and we shall see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.